Hello, this is the demo of the AutoCreate Spatial for Maximo Spatial 7603. In Spatial 7603, the logic of AutoCreate Spatial was migrated from the applications bin to the object class, making it possible to perform AutoCreate Spatial in Maximo automation scripts. It is possible to perform AutoCreate Spatial for two types of objects, for work orders and service requests. Let's go to the automation scripts application, where we can create scripts for automating some maximum tasks. This is the scripts application, this tab. Here we can see the existing scripts. In this spatial version, 6 sample automation scripts are delivered. 3 scripts for work orders and 3 scripts for service requests. These scripts are initially not active. The name of these scripts start with AutoCreate Spatial, and then we have WO for work order scripts and SR for service request scripts. We have sample scripts written in JavaScript, Python, and Jython. They are very simple, and the idea is that the user adds their logic later. In this presentation, we are going to show work order scripts only, but the same applies to service request scripts too. I will first activate 2 of them, the action launch point script and the object launch point script. So now let's take a look at the action launch point script. When this script is active, it will be run every time the action is called. So let me activate it. Here we can see the launch point configuration, including the launch point name, which we will use in the example where we configure a maximum escalation. So now I'm opening the escalation application and open an escalation that I created previously. Unlike the script that already comes as a sample in the code, the escalation the user has to create by himself with his logic. So this one is run each 10 minutes and applies to work orders that have the attribute +s feature class null. That means that it will be run for work orders that are not linked to a JS feature yet. The actions section, we configure the action to be called the same as this in the script launch point. Here in escalation points, besides the escalation condition, we add a condition that report date, that is, when the work order was created, is greater than the current date minus 2 hours, as 1 divided by 24 would be 1 hour, 1 divided by 12 means 2 hours to us. So let's go back to the scripts. So this action script is enabled, and I will also enable the script to save at, that means when the user saves a work order after adding it to Maximo. So let me show the line where we call the Mabel method, AutoCreate Spatial. Here, there's this parameter true. That means that we are calling from the script, and internally it has some different logic there, but it's almost the same flow. Okay, so it's already activated. Let me go back to work orders, where we create a new work order, associate a linked asset and then save. Link the asset and
without save the work order.
Yes. And when I save the work order, feature class field will be populated, meaning that a work order feature was created on the map. Just a reminder here, in order for the autocreate to work in the map manager application, we need to associate this object, a Maximo object that we are going to autocreate. Now I will go back to my automation scripts. I'm going to disable this save as script. And I'm going to enable another one. This script is configured with attribute launch point so that when we change the status of the object to approved in the work order case, the script will be run. Or when the status attribute is changed to active in the service request case covered in another script. Let's go back to the work order application. We can create a new one. I can save it now. I'm going to link to an asset. Let me choose a hydrant not linked yet. Okay. Then I'm going to approve the work order. Okay, then feature class issued correctly. And just let me show what happens if we have a work order that has no asset or service address that can locate can link it to the feature. It has no feature associated. Let me try to approve just to show what happens. Here we can see the message that feature could not be placed for the recorder, but the status was changed successfully. It's now approved. So the last script that we will test will be the one caused by escalation. Let me see here. I'm going to deactivate this one. It was already active. Just let me check the last time that the escalation was called. Let's see. Last runtime. It will be run soon. So let me open the Maximo logs. Okay. Let me try to change the escalation time. More often. Okay, so here you can see that the escalation has run and it created auto-created spatial recorder 13. And here the message, there are other recorders that are not linked in for them the creation failed. So we can go back to the work order application. Let's check our work order. Okay, the feature class is there, and it's linked. We can go to the asset application. And here you can see the marker and this red circle, that's the work order. As in the ArcGIS server, you configure the work order feature symbol to be a red circle. And now, just let me show that in this release we can still create the objects using .create action in the menu. Let me show for anyone interested to try again here. Okay. Okay, you can see that the work order was auto-created. Feature class was filled correctly. Okay, so that's it for this demo. Thank you very much.